Previous video we have completed already this section collection in the Zomato clone, this one. Now in this video, and this padding is coming, let's remove also here this section. Let's comment this in the style.css. Now this is okay. Now in this video we make the this popular city locality in and around the Mumbai, this types of a card. Let's go on the VS Code editor here in the index.js. This is a section. Now we want to create another section. We create a section and giving the class name is, here I give the class name section 3, and inside this we have a first of all heading, this one. Now for that giving the h1, and is for that I have a one container. I think I want to make a one container div class name, yeah, class name class container, and inside that I want to add the this popular locality in h1, this heading. For that h1 dot enter, we want to let's say h1 only. Now just copy this whole things, come here and paste here. Now let's see, and see here Mumbai little bit much bold. For that here I give the strong and just cut this, and now let's see and remove here. In the bottom you can see here this locality is coming. We will do this, and now I want to add the this types of a card. For that we want to first of all make the one another div tag, and inside that locality this list. Now this one completed. I want to make one card, then after make a multiple card with the JavaScript using the. For that here I give the div class localities card, and inside that I want to give the first in the left side this name and places. For that here I create a h3 and give the what is the name. First is lower parallel, and place is p tag. For I use the place 138, place 138 338 places of places. And after that I want to add the icon for solid for angle right. Let's see the output here. Now see this is coming. Now I want to make all this, and first of all I make this popular locality city. For that here I make the container section section 3. Just copy this, come in the style.css in the bottom section. Here I commented the this is for the section 3, all the CSS code will be written. Just copy, and here I give the margin approximately top section 10 pixel. Let's see how much yeah, and give the 50, and left right 0. Little bit we give the 100. Now as like this, yeah. This one now is actually here, and I want to give this here, give the section 3. Inside that we have a h1, and give the font size is approximately 40 pixel. Let's see. And this I want to give the font weight is 300. Yeah, now this is around like this. And color I want to change it. For that, giving the color is yellow, not a pure black. Little bit more. Yeah, now it's as like this one. Now I want to also give this role play color all this same. For that, just copy this color name and paste here in the section. Now see, all the color are changes, and this is done. And this also I want to give the font weight section section 3 in h3. Inside the font weight is 300. Yeah, now, and font size is 20, little bit more, 23. Yeah, now this okay. And place also section 3. Inside that we have a piece at given the font size is approximately 18 pixel. Yeah, now this almost okay. And we want to this place okay, we want to in the form of a card. For that, here I already given the locality card. Just copy this, come here. Now I want to give the first of all display flags. Now let's check. Yeah, and here I think I want to give another also. This is locality card. For this one, no, I want to locality list. Just copy here and change here. Now let's see. Yeah, now this coming. I want to this icon here. For that, I give the justify content space between. I give the max width is approximately 300, and alignment item center. Border, give the border is approximately 1 pixel, solid gray color. And giving the padding also, padding is 5 pixel, 10. Now this okay. And we give the height also, giving the height is 50 pixel. Let's check it. No, 100, 78. Just check it, what is the width of this. Right click and come here, and 300, 79. Okay, you want to give this. Okay, this is at approximately 320. 350. Yeah, now this okay. And giving the padding is 20 pixel. Left right, top bottom 20 pixel, left right 10 pixel, and little bit more. Now this done. And here I want to in the p tag I want to give the margin top side 0, and in the h1 tag margin here in the p tag also 0, and in the h3 tag also 0, margin 0. In the card section, just copy this. Where is card? Here, come here, give the height is 100% of its parent, and display flags direction, flags, oh yeah, flags direction column, and justify content space evenly. Alignment item, alignment, justify content space between. Let's see why this output is not coming. Let's see background color. Okay, this width are not changed. Why? Due to the padding anywhere? Yeah, here I was giving the padding. Let's remove some. Okay, now this is, and here give the anywhere I was giving margin. Yeah, I'll just remove this, and there is here give, and here. Now I want to give the padding, this one, five pixel, as like this, 8. Yeah, I want to remove the margin here, this piece, and in the add here. Now remove here, give the margin 0. Space between. Okay, here where is justify flex direction column space between, alignment item center. Here give the space evenly. Why these are not changing? And make this justify self flex end. Now this much okay. Here this one done, and I want to give the p tag, remove, just comment this. Now okay, and here this lower part top side, Arduni solo. Okay, 5 pixel, give the 5 pixel, and h3 give the margin here approximately to 5 pixel. Zero pixel. The card section, I want to add the padding, just cut here, paste here. Let's check giving Why this error is coming? Okay, this is a full width, and here give the some other color. I give the green. Okay, now this is already upper side, and here where is this padding? Let's give the bottom side 0. Now this is coming. Okay, and just remove, comment this all the colors. Now these are okay, and we will not copy all this, we make the one object all this, then we can run it. For that we can, here I make a one file, name is area or locality city dot js, and here I give the const export const city, and inside the make a array. Inside we make a object, a name. First of all we give the name. First name is lower parallel ARP capital, and other is a place number instance place, and we give the in the form of a number 383. Now just okay, here comma. Now I want to make all this, for that here just separate it and just copy this, cut it, and make a here copy this object, come here, paste it, and here give the comma also. Here and here, here. Now change the color. Now second I want to POI approx place is 355. Now again last two is Malad West 770. Here give the Malad West 770. Now here Borivali West place is 5848. Just copy possible all the name are, yeah, possible. Just copy lower pade this one. Okay, now this one is done, and place is approximately 97 in the Bandra, and just copy this more. Okay, this Bandra, from this section I want to change from the Powai after the Vasi. Just copy Vasi is 541. Where is this is Powai, I want to change, yeah. How much? 541. 541. Now like Fort, this place is approximately 220. Juhu is 197. Now last option is see more. This is one type of button. For that we just remove this. Only in this time we run the this much, or we can make a here. I want to give the name see more. After that, add the class. Yeah, class will be not added. Icon name is fa solid fa angle right. Now this name is already given. Now I want to this much done. Now I want to make this all, export this city name in the our index dot, where is, I want to also make a index.js file, and here I want to export this city.js in index.js, and here I write import, and let's see city how is export default. Okay, without we cannot write. Okay, just export downside. Here give the import bracket city from the city, and add this file index.js file in here. I give the script src index.js, and here I give the type is equal to module, because in this section we want to make a multiple JS file and import this and export. We want to use it, for that I can use this. Now I want to get access of this locality class list. For that, just copy this name and come in the style dot this index dot. Let's here I give the locality list element. Here give the get element document dot query selector. I use the query selector, and here give the here dot. Let's check this item we have access or not. Console dot log locality list. Just come our original file and right click and go on the console. First of all, refresh the page, right click, inspect console. Yeah, something is problem, why this is not loaded. Okay, I think index.js module script. Okay, here I give the console.log hello. Let's check again. Okay, city is not found. Fail to load the server response. Cannot get the city. Why city is not getting? Let's see index.js. Here I want to give the .js. Yeah. Now let's check. Yeah, now this got it, and I want to give first of all I want to access this city dot map. I want to access whole one by one all the names. For that I give the element, and here just console log. First of all we check what the console log will be done. See, here we got it this object. Now I want to name, and this one we want to push this, and just console here and console dot log. Now I want to el dot name. I want to all the name of the city. Now let's see here printed, and we want to insert this in a variable. Let's come here uh, locality list, or give the HTML locality localities list. This is a one type of a string. We want to insert this here, and let's come here. Here we come and return, or we can make a here one variable, this one. Just come here, now this much, and here give the enter. Here we want to insert all this with the HTML. For this HTML code is here. Just copy this section, I want to access the city. Okay, I want to insert here all this element. Just locality, just this and this. Just copy this one. Yeah, cut this, come here, index.js, and here return till symbol template string, and say paste here, and just format this. Here look better. This, now this section is done. Now I want to insert here name of this. For that I use the dollar and curly bracket inside el dot name, and here I want to insert the place, number of places, el dot place. Now let's run this, and we want to insert this whole content in where is. I want to make a one another component, div dot class dot what I want to give, localities container. Just copy this and change this name. I want to change this because this one is inserted here, that's why. Here I want to change, here also I want to change, and yeah, make C, and just copy this. First of all, check what the output is come here. Just copy this and console.log. Now let's see. See, we got it this in the form of a HTML. We want to insert this in here, in this. Just cut here, come here, and inner HTML equal to HTML locality. Now let's see what the output is coming. See, we got it this whole the section, and here undefined is coming. Yeah, because I think a place is not available here. Let go on the city. Okay, in this section place is not. For that I give the place is a null string. Now see. Okay, now this is gone. Now I want to this make one type of flags. For that come, where is HTML, here I make the, and this one done. Just copy this, come in the style.css file, where is, right click, inspect. First of all check, see in the locality list all the content will become, and this comma Yeah, this comma is cut. I want to remove it. Index.js, here give the join, and now see, now comma is removed. And in the css file, index.html, copy this name, style.css, display flags, and here give the flags wrap, and this much done, and these are done. And we want to make here minimum, where is list, yeah, this one. I want to give the minimum height will be 300, and after that in this container we give the justify content space between. Yeah, now this much is a key, or we can do here, just cut this. In the list container we give the margin also, margin 5 pixel, we can add 10 pixel, and here increase the size of this 350. Now see, as like this one is, as like this one is make, and here this pawai, why this name is, you want to change the, where is p tag, heading, here inside that I want to change the color, just remove it. Yeah, now okay. And here I want to remove the place. Okay, don't worry. Now these things are done, as like this one. And here last section we want to make a one button. For that I want to give here I want to give, just delete these things and come here in the index.html, where is index.html, and here give the exclamatory mark. Now see, undefine other. I think what can do next, I don't want to place. For that here come, where is, if place is available then this codes will be run. For that just copy this, paste here, and make this or we can do inside this is done here we can just copy this, if place is available then we can run the string. Okay, now condition is done. We want to if place is available, then we want to run the this with here make a dollar, then just remove this. With place, if not then we can do one thing. Yeah, now this one is gone, as like this. Only I want to make this whole container center. In the locality card I want to add one other class name. I already added, and here I give the class name see more. Just copy this, and this class name is for what I want to. Only this name will be display. Whole content will be center. We want to hide here. Use the till symbol. And what can do? I think we want to stop it. I want to see it. Thank you for the watching. If this video is helpful for you making these types of and here data, this type of making a CT data, making a array of object and then render with the JavaScript this you know this new one, then like this video, subscribe the channel. Thank you for the watching.